long past, where there was peace and no need to wear a mask, where gun was not even a thought and never mentioned in class, when people used to live and die only of natural cause. Now, because of the gangs and the guns, many lives has lost. Hearts have gotten hardened and cold and need to be defrost. So please, 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 to the old and the young, please, 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 and in that destructive gun, please, please, please let the war and madness done. Please, please, stop killing our daughters and sons. Please, please, return from the devil's kingdom. Please, please, please seek peace and let violence run. Let us resist the drugs and the guns and replace them with love, and use your influence of peaceful resolve. Let our communities be peaceful and calm and with love. Let us rebuild the TCI with peace and our enmity washed out. Let all preachers and community leaders seek God up above, build a social and economical society for everyone, Mr. God. Please, please, please end that destructive gun. Please, please, let the war and madness done. Please, please, please stop killing our daughters and sons. Please, please, return from the devil's kingdom. Please, please, seek peace and let madness run. Refresh your hearts with good intentions and love with every breath you take. Turn back to the godly teachings and stop associating yourself with what is fake. Feed your heart, soul, and brain with good things, and in wicked things never partake. Gain knowledge and positivity from the one who teaches that peace should not be envied. Choose to be cool and gentle with peaceful mission and poised degree. Refresh ourselves with humility and love, because from this evil dream we have just been away. Please, please, please let the war and madness done. Please, please, please stop killing our daughters and sons. Please, please, please return from the devil's kingdom. Please, please seek peace and let violence run. The gun violence and crime on this economy has put an enormous strain. Because of fear, murders, loss of livelihood, we are in much pain. Give us back our peaceful community and remove every blood stain. Remove all of this violent evil and let goodness remain. We want back our freedom, our family in every street and lane. Analyze the things you are doing to us. Do you really have a brain?